All right, so this just came in, and looking at the package, it says that there's alcohol in here, and the only thing I ordered that has some alcohol in it is the Tesla CyberStein, as well as the CyberBeer. I did not know it's gonna be this big. Well, at least the outside box is big, and it actually is pretty big. Now, this is the CyberBeer CyberStein limited edition set. Huge thanks to all of the supporters that actually use my referral link. I use some of the points to purchase this, or use my loot bucks, my Tesla loot bucks to get this, as well as I actually grabbed a jacket. And if you are looking at purchasing a Tesla or a Powerwall or solar, make sure you guys use a referral link. It could be mine will be listed down below, but if you use someone else's, that's fine too. But you want to use it because you are going to get some discounts, some kickbacks. So it's not just a referral link for us. You guys get some discounts, and so do we. We get some loot bucks that we can spend either on merchandise, as well as I'm going to be getting full self-driving on my Model Y once I get it back from the shop. That's going to cost 10,000 loot bucks to use for 3 months of full self-driving. It does say CyberBeer CyberStein limited edition, made on Earth by humans, which means I need to slide this up. And there it is. You guys actually can see it first before me. So let me spin this around. We have 2 CyberBeers right here, as well as 2 CyberSteins. Just so you guys can see, that is cool. Look at that. It has a handle right there, and of course has that shape, that cyber feel, that shape of the Cybertruck. On the very front, we have a little Tesla logo, and it is glazed. Has this kind of flat, matte black look to it, and they have this, they call it like a glaze that they put on it. All right, now as far as the beer itself, it is a European lager, and I will put a little bit more information on screen here as far as what kind of beer it is and some of the ingredients on it. CyberBeer on the front, that script logo style, the way the Cybertruck was written out. There's 2 of these in here. It is a lager, 7% alcohol in volume. It is brewed and bottled by Buzzrock Brewing Company in Torrance, California. And it says, haha, cheers on the front. So it is sealed here at the very top. And I am not gonna crack it open, just like I haven't cracked open my Tesla tequila just yet. But this is pretty cool. 2 CyberSteins for you to pour your beer in, as well as 2 CyberBeers. And that is about it. A quick little unboxing. If you guys did order the CyberBeer CyberStein from Tesla, this is what you're gonna get. A couple mugs, a couple beers, and it comes in this really cool shaped box. Thanks again. If you guys got some value, a big like would be much appreciated. Just want to show you guys what comes in this if you guys did order it. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.